Hi, my name is Pedro with the Balcony Company. I am going to explain the tensioning system for our balconies. These are the parts that go for one side. Now, this is the bracket that goes against the wall. Goes here. The cable is long enough and can be adjusted right here or right there. You can cut it, make it shorter. This is the back plate that goes in the back of the wall. And this is one of the threaded rods that is used to secure this bracket. Now you would ask, but I don't see the turnbuckle, which the turnbuckle is meant for tensioning, but it's pretty ugly. So this system is more residential. You just adjust these nuts, and then it will go up, so loosen this one and tighten that one, and then it will give you the tension, right? This is a long bolt, so you will have lots of play, and you have it in both ends. The other end also goes with two nuts and can be also be adjusted for tensioning. After that, you can just cut the excess if you want to. So that's all. It's a very simple system and very effective.